there's any one way. I would say it's make sure you are completing as many of these different things as possible. So you're as insecure as your kind of one vulnerability. You could have all this great protection, and again, if you don't have a lock on your door, anyone can walk in and steal that data. I guess the biggest one that people missed, and I kind of started with, was just user training and knowledge. So users are humans, they make errors, they make mistakes, and educating them, you can only put so many practices in place. So some way businesses are doing this, the Skycomp's doing this, is we have our own phishing campaigns that we run. So we have a tool that sends these simulated phishing campaigns out to employees of companies. It tries to get them to follow links and enter passwords, and then we can see the results of all of that and provide our clients reports on users that have fallen for these scams. And then from there, you can educate your users. There's training available online. We provide training as well to, it's not a kind of go in with the stick approach that someone did something wrong, like they've made an honest mistake, and it's more just training, educating that user on that mistake and making sure they don't make it again in the future. We try to provide best, and going back into those best, it's a time to reinforce having good password policies, enforcing two-factor authentication, using unique passwords across all these different tools, because if you use that same password $123 for your banking, your Facebook, your work email, your personal email, now not only is that one exploited site, they have your contact or your login information, they have it for your entire online persona, which they could figure out pretty quickly how to log into all these different services.